So finally, this is the final task in the over wallet project we've been following all this while. Okay, this is the final task that you have to do to be qualified to finally claim your airdrop. Now, go to your over wallet, update it if you haven't updated it yet, and make sure you have stored your information such as your email, your password and passphrases. Make sure you've stored it in a very nice place. Okay, go and update. Now, after you update your app, make sure you claim your daily grant. Go to OKX and complete the other tasks that is supposed to be done. And you can actually do one or two transactions. Send from your OKX to your over wallet, your over wallet to your OKX. Then after that, you're going to see this option which says "Get ready for airdrop." Complete the Sybil detection mission right here. Okay, this is a mission you need to actually complete. Okay, and you have just 7 days left by May, by 29th or 30th of May, you will not be able to access this again. I pray every one of you who actually joined over network sees this video before 7 days time. Okay, after 7 days, you'll not be able to do it, and your token will not. I don't know. You're not going to get the airdrop according to them. So what you need to do is to click on the get ready for airdrop at the top, and this is what you're going to see. You have until May 31st, 7 days left, like I said. So you're going to see where it says select a nationality. But before that, before you even start watching this video to the end, there is a link in the comment section and also in the description. Go and download the Fisher app, register with it. It's like a cryptocurrency exchange, because that is the same exchange you're going to be using to connect and verify all this. Okay, now it says select country. I'm going to click on select country. I'm a Nigerian. I don't know where you're from. I learned that a lot of countries are not eligible, but Nigerians are eligible. Okay. It says countries not supported due to over wallet policy. Users in certain countries are unable to complete Sybil detection or receive airdrop. Okay, so there are countries that are not eligible for this airdrop. Okay, I've seen Nigerians complete their Sybil detection, so I don't know if they're trying to actually tell us something. So right here, you're going to actually see Nigeria below. Okay, click on it. Me, I'm a Nigerian. I don't know. For who is watching, just select your country. A lot of people were not eligible. If you go to over wallet Twitter handle, you're going to see those country people lamenting, and they are really angry. Of course, it's really painful because you follow up a project, for how many for months, and when it's now time for them to get listed, your country is not eligible. It's very, very painful. Okay, so don't blame them. So once you come here, select Nigeria and click on confirm. Okay, please don't choose the country you're not from. Oh, please, in case you might be asked to submit some information, choose your country, please. So click on confirm. So after you select your country, you're going to click on confirm. You'll be brought to this page. It says link a Flipster account. Click the button to download. Now, what you need to do is to hit that link in description first. Go and register for Flipster account. I'm going to walk you guys through on how to do it. Then we'll come back and finish this particular. Okay, you can. It says click the link below to download Flipster and sign up. Return to this page and click the button again to link your account. Okay, we're going to actually click we're going to actually register everything here. Okay, it says please note that once linked you cannot change your account or nationality, so make sure you choose the right country. All right, so the link to Flipster is going to be in the description box. It's for those of you who want to actually create Flipster first. Then you can actually hit in that link in the description, go and click that, go and create the account first, verify every single thing, just like I'm going to be showing you how to verify it in this video before you even come to over wallet to start this process. Especially those of you that your phone is hanging and all that. If you know your phone is not that type that is smart enough to navigate, I would advise you click the link in the description, register for Flipster account. Okay, just as shown in the video. Then after you must have successfully registered, you can now come here and do exactly as I'm doing in the over wallet to link. Okay, so here I'm going to actually click it says complete Sybil detection. Creation of an over wallet account and receipt of over tokens via airdrop does not mean that the over wallet user has passed the know your customer process of Flipster. Okay, creation of an over wallet account and receipt of over tokens via airdrop does not mean, okay, they're trying to tell you that you must do KYC. Okay, no problem. So I'm going to go and start creating an account with Flipster. Okay, so this is what Flipster looks like. Okay, once you click that link in description or comment section, it takes you to a page. Download the app. Okay, after you download the app, it brings you to this page. All right, I'm going to actually cancel this. This is an exchange just like Bybit, Binance, OKX, BitGet, Metsi, KuCoin, and the rest of them. Okay, so it's a crypto exchange, and I feel like Over Wallets wants to partner with this particular exchange in listing their token. That's why we are being asked to actually use this exchange. As you can see, this exchange is trading Notcoin and BB tokens. It's actually trading MSN tokens as well. All right, so what you need to do immediately you come to this page is really simple. First, you click on the profile icon right here, and once you do that, you are going to actually register for an account. It says close account. I haven't even registered for the first time, so let's go back. There's no option for registration right there. So what you need to do right here is to click on the asset area, click on asset, and click on get started. Okay, because you're getting started for the first time, right? So now you have to put in an email. Now before you start this registration process, get your book and paper. Remember, you're supposed to have a kind of diary as someone who is into this crypto stuff, where you write down all the information, details, and password about a particular project, so that in case you actually forget, that is where you can actually get it. Okay, so once you're here, put in your email and password. I'm gonna put in your email, put in your password. It says password must contain a letter, special symbol, list characters are 8 character, and a number. So what they mean is that you must use letter, you must use symbol, which is like the comma is symbol, the at is symbol, the full stop is symbol. Okay, you can use symbol like full stop, comma, and other things, other punctuation marks. Then make sure your password is up to 8 characters. Okay, 8. Then you must add a digit to it. Okay, so after that you're going to actually click on to put in that same password here. Then the referral code, which will be in the comment section and also in the description, put it right in here. Then you click on I agree, and then you click on get started. So after you have added your email address right here, added your password, repeat your password right here, make sure you click on this I button right here. Let's say this logo, this I stuff right here, so that your password will be shown to you. Make sure you open the I stuff so that you see if the password you're putting in is correct, and make sure that of that. Okay, if it is correct, all this area is going to turn blue to show that you actually you have added a password which has met their requirement. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is to click on this I have agreed to Flipster terms of use and privacy, and then you hit on the get started button right there. Okay, so if you click on get started, this option will show for you to actually push this particular arrow to make sure this icon fits into this properly. Okay, these shapes have to be fixed into this particular shape here, so that make sure you actually put it together in the right order. Okay, to rhyme. Then after you successfully do it, yours might be another different shape, but make sure you add it together to actually make sure. I don't know how to put it, because there are some people that might not know how to pass this, but I'm very sure that this is the most simplest captcha to complete on the internet. Okay, just push as you push the arrow. As you're pushing the arrow, make sure you're watching this, put it into this place, and make sure they're equal. Okay, that is what you're going to do. Just push this blue arrow and control this to actually be fixed with this. Make sure it is equal. Okay, so after that, if you do it correctly, your verification is it will say capture successfully completed. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So after you actually push and fit in that particular image to be the same with the other one, and you are told that your capture is successful, the next thing you will be told is that the Flipstars requires verification to process security measures. Click on the link in your email to create an account. Now you have to go to your email address. I'm just going to minimize and go to my email address to do this. Let's go. Go to your email, open the Flipstar email you just got. You're going to actually be told to verify email to complete your registration. It says click the verify email button below to complete your registration. If you do not verify your email within 24 hours, your registration process will be cancelled. So I'm just going to click on verify email right here. Click on this verify email. And then this is what you're going to see after you click on the verify email. It says you're all set. We are preparing our next bonus campaign. Kindly stay tuned for our update. We can't wait to share the exciting news soon. Okay. No, I think this is an advert. So I'm going to click on to cancel this first. So after that, you'll be asked to use PIN or biometrics to secure your account, which means either you want to use your fingerprint or PIN, just select and use your fingerprint or choose a password. Okay, if you don't want to use password or biometrics, you can just keep, but it's always good to verify and use biometrics. Okay, so it says verify now. Verify your identity. Identity verification is required for deposit, withdrawals, and trading. So you have to actually verify yourself in this particular account. If I click on verify now, you're going to be brought to this page. Okay, here it says that my email has been verified, and this blue mark right here shows it has been verified. Now it says identity, verify your identity. Let's click on the verify your identity option. Let's see how it works. So once you click on verify identity, it says I'm a resident of or living. So I'm going to click on others because I'm not an American citizen, and then I click on continue. Click on others. If you're not an American citizen, then click on continue button. And then here it says profile details. Verify and complete your personal information in English. Take a selfie, identity document. So I'm going to click on continue. Let's see. Put in your first name as written boldly in your document, be it your national ID, driver's license, or international passport. So put it in here. Your last name, date of birth, address. Okay, building number is optional. City is required. Postal code is optional. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Nationality is required as well. I'm going to put in my name. A lot of people might be confused when it comes to the date of birth section because the way they arrange the birth of this stuff is very confusing. If you don't know how to do it, you might end up being frustrated. So I'm going to show you how it works by choosing. For example, if you're born in 2000, what you need to do is click on it. If you're born in 2000, maybe December 2000, let's say you were born 11th December 2000, what you need to do is to first of all change the month by clicking on this icon here and make sure it goes to December. But if you're born in January, go here so that you click and choose January. For example, let's say you're born 2nd of January, just click on that icon to choose January, then you choose 2nd January, then the date you were born. Let's say you're born 2nd January 2002. Click on this drop down to choose the year. Okay, now you can look for example, if you're born in 2009, you can actually choose. Okay, remember, if you want to change the month, you can use these two arrows right here. The date you were born, choose it right here, and the month, the year, click on this drop down menu. Okay, so for those of you who might be confused, all right, that is the reason for that part. After you finish choosing your date of birth, check the calendar down below the calendar and click on OK for your date of birth to reflect. Okay, now after you must have done that, here it says address line. Put in your address. Building number is optional, don't put it. City where you live is required. Your postal code is optional if you don't want to put it. Your country of residence is already here. Now nationality as well is still Nigeria. Make sure you choose Nigeria as your nationality. All right, I'm going to choose Nigeria because I'm a Nigerian. If you're from Ghana, put in Ghana. Don't choose another country because you might be asked to hold up your country identification card, and if you have added another country, it will be very bad for you because you might be restricted from getting your airdrop. So I'm going to choose my postal code right here, and city, I'll put in my city. Building number is, they said, is optional. I'm going to put in my postal code and the rest. After choosing everything correctly, you click on the continue button. You will be brought to this page. It says get ready for liveness check. We'll open a camera to analyze your face for verification purposes. Follow these steps. Make sure that it's just your face in the frame. Take off your sunglasses, hat, or any item that obstructs your face. Make sure your face isn't backlit by a light source that would darken the image of your face. So you've heard what they said. Okay, so I'm going to actually start my liveness verification by clicking on the continue button below. So the face verification is not hard. Okay, once you click on continue, they will bring out the camera. Make sure you put in your face in the circled frame. Okay, make sure at least your face is being seen clearly. Okay, and then take instructions when they say look into the circle, and also you should look into the camera. They're going to tell you what to do. Just look the right tops and follow exactly. Now it says select your document type. I'm going to choose ID card as a Nigerian because this is our most used document. Now take a photo of your document. Make sure that the document is fully in the screen area and all information is readable. Some more info. Okay, so this is how they want you to place it. I'm going to take a photo of mine by clicking on take a photo. So this area that you are asked to take a photo of your document, you can actually decide to select from your gallery. Let's say you manually take a picture of your national ID. You can go here, select it and upload, or maybe take a picture of it directly. Anyone you want, you can choose. So after pasting your front and back ID card, it is going to successfully tell you that your information has been submitted and they are reviewing it. Now, firstly, I tried uploading the ones I have actually taken a picture of before. They rejected it, so I think it's more better for you to hold it in your hands while your hand is showing there, and make sure you take a good clear picture of your national ID card. Okay, that one would even make them accept you faster than the one you upload, because when they see that you're holding it there, and that one actually guarantees that you are really a human being and that you are legitimately submitting the right information. Okay, so once we are done with all this, what the next thing to do is to go back to over wallet. Okay, this one's right here, it's not going to be required for the over wallet store because I feel like, okay, this is actually for the app. If you want to actually reach a limit in this particular app, this is when you'll be needing this, but I don't know. For now, what you just need is this one, this verification and your email verification. So let's go back. Let's head back. Other exchanges take like 2 minutes to verify, but I don't know for Flipster exchange. Maybe later on, after 2 minutes, I'll come back and check. Okay, here it says, okay, we'll come back and check. So I'm back in the over app. Let's see. It says get ready for airdrop. I'm going to click on that again. Let's see if we have to be verified or in the site of Flipster exchange first, but I have done the necessary things that are needed, right? So I'm going to come here and click on open Flipster. Let's click on open Flipster, and it brought me here. It says agree to share your Flipster account status with over wallet. Click on agree. Okay, it says complete cyber detection, complete verification on Flipster. Okay, so already Flipster account has been linked. Okay, it has been linked. I'm going to click on go verify. Let's click on it. When I went back to Flipster, I was told to re-verify my account again. I had to click on the verify button again, and I was brought to this page. It says, unfortunately, there's a problem with your document. Find the detailed below to see what issue and all that. So I'm going to actually do that by clicking on, it says, please resubmit uploaded document. Your identity document should be clear and readable. All corners of the document should be visible. Okay, no problem. So let's check. This one has been done. The profile details and the selfie has been done. So I'm going to click on it again to resubmit. This is like the second day I have been waiting for this verification to be approved. Still, I'm still, in review. Like my application is still being reviewed. Okay, so I don't know how many days more they're going to take, and this particular verification is supposed to last for 6 days, maybe 5 days. Okay, because Overwallet made it clear that it is from now till 31st of May. So I have registered in this app for like 2 days now, and they haven't actually given me response to either if my verification was successful or not. Okay, but I believe that it's going to be successful because I did verification countless of times when I actually was taking a picture of my national ID and they rejected it and were telling me that is not the right one. So finally I had to turn the phone camera in landscape mode to take my picture, my national ID card, the front and back of my national ID. I had to turn my phone to landscape mode, and after I turned it to landscape mode, they approved my ID card. Now the mistake I did was I forgot to add my date of birth, so they sent me a message that I should go and complete my date of birth. So I did that, and since a day before yesterday, 2 days now, they haven't actually reviewed. I pray that at the end of today they should verify me. Okay, so once you're done with the verification, because I just have to continue doing this video, because if I'm waiting for me to get verified before I complete the video to finally show you everything step by step, time will be going, right? So I'm going to just tell you what to do. Okay, as long as you've watched this video to this level, you should always actually understand how to go about it. Okay, now I'm going to go back to over wallet. Let's go back to over wallet. Please make sure your over wallet is up to date. Okay, make sure it is up to date. So this is it. You can no longer find the okay, this is where to find your airdrop option to join. Already I've shown everything from the beginning of this video, so you should understand it. Okay, so it says don't miss the airdrop, only days left to complete cbo detection, and that exchange is my problem right now. I don't know if they are not. I don't know what is going on. Okay, they're supposed to verify me because I've submitted the right information. So what you need to do is to click on the airdrop at the top, and I have selected my nationality, and I've shown you guys. I have linked a Fiesta account, Flipster ID. I have shown you guys. Now the third step is the Flipster verification. Now let's try to see if we can continue with the registration without being verified. If we can't, you just have to verify before that. Okay, so I'm going to click on verify by clicking on this go to verify button, and it brings you here. Okay, once it brings you here, just wait for some minutes. I don't know. All right, this is it. No option here, no single option. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for a while. So as you can see, there is no sign of the cyber detection because this identity is not yet verified. It's still under review. So go and do yours, and hopefully for them to review you on time, as we have just 5 days left. Okay, go and do this. Okay, to do exactly as I've shown. If this place says verified like this, your cyber detection will automatically pop out a camera and take a picture of your face, okay? But since it's not verified yet, it is not going to happen, okay? So go and do yours and stay tuned, because if I keep waiting for them to verify me before I show you, this time might run out. So go and do yours. If you get verified immediately, no problem. If you don't get verified, just make sure you have submitted the right information, okay? See you guys in my next video. Bye.